Are you looking for a delicious and healthy way to improve your diet and well-being? Look no further than barley grass seeds. These tiny seeds can be easily grown into tasty and nutrient-rich barley grass shoots that are perfect for adding to a variety of dishes. Rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, barley grass shoots are a superfood that is easy to grow and maintain. Whether you have a small backyard or just a sunny windowsill, you can easily grow your own barley grass shoots at home. One of the great things about growing barley grass shoots at home is that it is incredibly easy to do. Simply sprinkle the seeds on a tray of soil, water regularly, and within a few weeks you'll have a healthy crop of barley grass shoots ready to harvest. Use the shoots in salads, smoothies, sandwiches, or as a garnish for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Not only are barley grass shoots good for you, they are also environmentally friendly. Barley grass is a highly sustainable crop that requires minimal water and resources to grow. By choosing to grow your own barley grass shoots, you're not only taking care of yourself, but you are also supporting environmentally responsible agriculture. So why wait? Put these seeds in your shopping cart and start growing your own barley grass shoots today. Experience the many health benefits for yourself. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health or just want to add some tasty and nutritious greens to your diet, growing barley grass shoots at home is a perfect choice. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life.